Hello participants, here's a quick tutorial for the competition. To participate in the competition, you need to have Discord installed on your device. Once you have Discord installed, you will be provided with a link to the competition server. Copy and paste the link into the join server section of the Discord to enter the server. When you first enter the server, you will be directed to the verification channel. Follow the instruction to verify your identity, after which additional channels will be unlocked for you to access. One of the channels that will be unlocked is the identity channel. In this channel, you will need to input your contest ID to begin your task. Once you have done so, a channel will be unlocked for you to start generating your image. To generate your final image, you will need to use the provided model and dataset to create your image in the unlocked channel. Once you have finalized your image, you will need to upscale it before submitting it. Note that upscaling can take 1 to 3 minutes, so be patient. Before upscaling your image, ensure that it is the final version, as no further changes can be made once the image has been upscaled. After upscaling, submit your image in the submit channel. It is important to note that you can generate multiple images before submitting your final image. Following these steps will ensure that you can successfully participate in the competition. Good luck, participants.